Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making a tutorial about Star Tracker, and I'm about to show you guys in this video tutorial that how actually I got a copy of the game for free, as you can see right here on my PC, and you can do it on any platform in fact. So if you want to learn how to do this on your own, then watch this video tutorial until the end, guys. I'm gonna share with you that how I managed to get it, uh, and you can learn it to do it then after on your own. So we'll continue this video tutorial immediately right now to show everything we need to know. Okay. So as you can see, guys, I have right here in front of you my phone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get the copy of the game for free. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the game code which you can redeem after the game and then the platform that you are playing. So I'm going to share to you how to do this. Okay. So basically, guys, you just have to go to your internet browser, go and search about this site. It's called Coupon Finder. Make sure you type it like this, guys. All right. So enter inside of it, and once you're gonna enter, you have a lot of other things inside. You can check later if you're interested for something else. All right. So I'm just gonna use the searching bar for faster. So just type here star, and here it is. And then down below you have different platforms. You need to choose which one you play, Xbox or PC. So me, I did with PC. So the steps are the same for the both devices. You just need to choose which one you are doing it, and then show the code, guys. Unlock the code. So you just need to wait a couple of seconds so the whole process gets complete 100%. And once it's going to complete 100%, it's going to redirect you guys to another page when it's required to complete a little task in order to unlock the code, guys. It's very simple to do it. Just make sure to read the instructions, and there are very simple steps to complete. All right. So here it says to download the complete as below in order to unlock Star Tracker game code, and after complete the task, enter phone number, email above to receive the code. All right. So basically, me, I took it by SMS because I put my phone number. So I'm just gonna show you right now. Uh, Here it is. My code. This is what I'm using. Star Tracker game code from Coupon Finder. So basically, I came in this stage also me. So I put my phone number and I got it. The code you can do it also by email, depends how you want to do it. Okay. So down below, guys, you're gonna find a list of apps as you can see right over here. All of them are for free, as you can see, and all of them are for Play Store and App Store. So there is nothing to get to worry about. All of them are for official store, guys. So you don't have to do anything outside of official stores. So what you have to do is you practically just need to choose two of these apps and complete the instruction. Make sure you read the instructions. Every app have different instructions, guys. Okay. So you can complete it correctly so you don't miss anything, so otherwise it will fail. And make sure you should be a new user only for the apps you are using, which means, for example, if you have TikTok already downloaded in your device, then you should not do TikTok, otherwise it will not work. You need to choose another app which you don't have it downloaded before in your device. If you don't have, for example, TikTok, you can do this one. It's very simple. You just need to download and to open for 30 seconds. It's very simple and very fast task to do it. Okay. So me, I did fetch rewards, guys, and I did travel town. So what you have to do is just in the moment you're going to choose just into personal, it shows again instruction what you have to do, then continue, and then it will redirect you to App Store or Play Store, depends on device you are having it. As in me, it shows go to the App Store, and then as you can see, got connected with my App Store. To me, it shows open because I did before when I got the code for myself. To you, it will show the sign of downloading because you're going to be a new user. So I downloaded and then I open a register on it, and that's it, guys. So I did the second app, Travel Town, and here we are here. Travel Town. Also Travel Town, I need to complete the level number 9 as a game. So press on it again to continue to redirect my App Store and so on. So after I completed both of these, guys, I came here, put my phone number, I submitted, and then a couple of minutes after they verified that I did it correctly, they just sent me the code, guys, as you can see right here. So basically this is it, guys. I hope it was helping you, so I hope you enjoyed the game. See you in the next videos. Cheers.